Well, hey, you guys, welcome back to the Canning Nana. So, I am getting ready for planting season. I am late again this year, but hey, we're going to have a garden, right? So, tomorrow is March 1st, and we're expecting rain again this weekend in sunny California. So, I'm not planting just yet, but I am going to get started with planting indoors. And I'm going to do that this weekend. So I'm getting these ready right here. I'm going to go out this weekend and get some planting soil because I haven't had a chance to do that with all this rain and flooding and everything. It's been really bad here. So I've got all my containers ready. I've got way more than this. I just wanted to show you guys some of what I had. And these are some of the seeds that I have. So I just want to show you some of what I'm doing. The others are kind of duplicates, so this is what we're gonna get ready, and got most of my seeds ready. So let's just go over some of the stuff that we're getting ready to plant. Let's just go over some of them, and then let me know what you guys are getting ready to plant. I know in most of the states you guys still have frost, and you're not even able to plant yet in ground, but I'm sure that you are in greenhouses getting your seeds ready and getting your little seedlings going and things like that. Yeah, see how it's getting darker right now? Yeah, it's starting to get cloudy and rainy. It was raining a little bit this morning. So my garden space right now has about a half a foot of weeds. So after this weekend's rain, it'll be really, really easy to dig all of that out and get all the weeds and stuff out. So the soil is already very moist. We've gotten a lot of the stuff out already, but with all this rain, all the weeds grow really, really fast. So yeah, my husband's been keeping up with the yard because our grass in the front and backyard has been, it's super green, and he has been mowing as he can and trying to keep up with it. But as you can imagine, the California drought is no more. It's been crazy here. It's been really, really crazy. But hey, no hurricanes and no blizzards like we had last year. So not so far anyway. Shouldn't talk too loud because Crazy March is on the way. So anyway, so it's leap year, so I figured I'd do a video today and just show you guys some of the seeds. So let's get started. Okay, so I have some San Marzano tomato seeds. I love these. These did so well last year, and I did not have anything in my garden space last year except for my grapes, a few tomatoes, a few... Oh, what else? A few of the onions that I had. And that was it. Just the green peppers and grapes and I mean the green onions and a couple of green peppers that really never multiplied or anything. Really, I think I got 2 peppers. So the rest were all in containers right off my patio. Had a lot of back issues last year, so didn't really do anything in my garden. So this year, I'm going to have a huge garden like I normally do. Okay, and lots of tomatoes. And I did have a lot of tomatoes last year anyway. Okay, so yellow pear tomatoes, gold nugget tomatoes, and these are just like the sun gold tomatoes that I normally have in my garden. Cherokee purple tomatoes. Now I did have something like these last year in containers, and these, I love these, you guys. These are so, so good. Chocolate stripes, and these are amazing. You'll notice a lot of these seeds are by M.I. Gardner. He does have a channel, and I always buy seeds from him every year, and his seeds are amazing. Never had a failure with his seeds, and I go back to him every year. Not expensive, and he grows his own, so love, love, love his seeds. I've been buying from him for, oh my gosh, over 10 years now. Okay, chocolate beauty peppers. This is a new one for me. I was going to try these last year, and I didn't, so really looking forward to those. Pinto beans. I am really, really, really looking forward to these, and going to pick them and then can my own pinto beans. Been wanting to do this for a while and can't wait to do that. Chioggia beets, these are really good. For these, when you pick them, you can see the red and white in them, but when you cook them, they kind of cook away. You can't really see them, but these are really good for canning. Love these. My spinach, I cannot get enough of spinach. If you guys have seen my channel, you know that we always grow spinach. I have a lot of freeze-dried spinach. I buy that by the family can through Thrive Life. My link is in the description box below if you guys are interested. We go through spinach a lot. So we have fresh spinach, we have frozen spinach, we grow spinach. I go to the farmer's market and buy spinach, freeze-dried. I mean, we go through spinach like crazy, you guys. So, and then here's some more pinto beans, zucchini, gray summer squash. These are the gray ones. And then these are Tigger melons. These are going to be planted later on in the summer. I figured I'd show you guys. Same with this one. This is winter pumpkin that I meant to plant for the winter, and I didn't get around to it. These are tomatillos, and I have 2 of these. These are the easiest things to grow. Tomatillos are much like tomatoes if you've never grown them, except they're much more abundant than tomatoes, much less disease than tomatoes. Super, super easy. And if you like green salsa, these are super, super easy to grow, you guys. If you've never tried them, you can grow these in almost any climate. They are so good. So good, so easy, very easy to can. You can can them like tomatoes. But if you like green salsa, oh my gosh. Green salsa with some avocado. I'll be doing some recipes with these. These are amazing. So I have more spinach. And these are from Burpee that I got these. These are actually from last year, and I had these in containers. Some heirloom beets. These are Detroit Dark Red. I do a lot of canning with these. These are amazing. Slow bolt cilantro. If you buy cilantro seeds, make sure that you get the slow bolt, because if you don't, the first little bit of heat that cilantro realizes is out there, it is just going to bolt, and you're going to wind up picking the little white flowers off of it. And you're going to keep picking the white flowers, and it gets really, really bitter after that. So you want slow bolt and just keep picking it. I'll show you guys how to do that once this starts growing. But if you love cilantro, get slow bolt. I know it's either a love or hate thing with cilantro. I understand that some people believe it tastes like salt or soap to them. And we love it here. Cilantro is like a staple in our house. We almost always have that. And green onion. We grow green onion as well. This is 8-ball zucchini squash. I know I gave a lot of this away in one of our subscriber appreciation giveaways. Actually, a couple of them, I think. We grew these, and then I gave a lot of the seeds away. And I kept some of the seeds, and then we grew them again, and I have no more seeds left. So I had to buy some more. So I'm going to be growing these. If you've never had these are sweeter than normal zucchini. It's getting dark again. Okay. These are sweeter. They have a different flavor than normal zucchini. They are naturally sweet. They're very, very good. And they grow round, and the smaller size that you grow them, the sweeter they are, and the more tender they are. They're actually called Ronda di Nice in Italian, and they're super, super good. So if you see them, 8-ball or Ronda di Nice, super good. Try them if you haven't. I will have some seeds next season to give away for you guys. Sugar snap peas, going to be growing a lot of these. These are very easily diseased. These particular ones are not. These are from Burpee. This had 300 seeds in it. This is from last year. and I planted some of these, and we did get some peas, but we ate the peas. I did not have any for canning. I just did cooking with them, and then the grandkids just ate the peas. So they're good for that. And these are sugar snaps, so you eat the whole pod, which is really, really good. This is banana squash. These are amazing. Sometime I can get these to grow, and sometimes I cannot get these to grow. It just depends on the weather here. Yeah, the climate here is perfect for growing anything all year round. But if we get a weird flood in the middle of summer, I need to pick these up off the ground. Otherwise, they just die on me. Yeah, so, this is my favorite. And you cannot find these in the store anymore, in the grocery store. And if you can, they're super expensive, like $6 a pound. Okay, and banana sweet peppers. These are one of my favorites. And then these little ones that I got, this is just kale. Some more spinach. I have like 4 different kinds of spinach. Radishes, of course. Love the radishes. And yellow squash. Some more San Marzano. More radishes. And then some garden beans. These are the Cherokee Wax Yellow Bush, and I do have a really, really big container, like a quadruple size of this. I think it's about 1,000 seeds of bush beans. It's still in the other room. So those are my seeds for this year. There's a whole ton more that I haven't shown you guys, and when I get those out, I will show you guys those, and the process of putting them into all of these will probably come next week. So it's just something that I'm doing. I want to keep you guys up to date on what I'm doing, because I have not posted a whole lot in the last probably month and a half, and I really want to start posting again. And we have a whole subscriber appreciation giveaway coming up here in March. I know I've kind of been MIA, and I do apologize for that. Hopefully, we will be back to doing regular videos here pretty soon. And I hope to see you guys all soon. So let me know what you guys are planting. That'll be the word of the day. So we'll be back to doing word of the day and giving away some things. I'll probably be giving away some Birds of Paradise seeds. We have lots of those. Check out my Mercari store. It should be in the link in the description box below. So hope to see you guys soon, and stay tuned for more. Lots of giveaways coming, and hopefully some travel videos too on the new channel. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. And again, the word of the day is going to be what you guys are planning to plant. So I want to hear from you guys and see what you guys are doing. So talk to you soon. Lots of canning videos coming up too. So hope to see you guys soon. Have a great March, you guys.